Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. And you also know the story ain't complete if KingMixUp ain't on the beat. And as you can see, Vybz Kartel is making it official. As you can see, he says, #1 wife, I proposed in prison, proposed in real life. You were there when I needed you the most, and I will never leave you, baby. I cherish all the times you came to visit me and told me that it's going to be okay. I cherish all the times that we spoke on the phone and in real life, in the box. We laughed together and we cried together, and now we celebrate together. You're my best friend and my companion, and I pray to God we stay together for as long as I live. I love you, baby. Hashtag, all of these good stuff. It's in my people putting out a comment section where anything about that. And it's definitely a good look in my book, you know what I mean? But I'm have to lock off the comments because people just bad mind and them can't, get over that shorty doesn't care. You feel me? Anyway, let's proceed to the next.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to step bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in a sum of $7,500. With special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. And you also know the story ain't complete if KingMixUp ain't on the beat. And as you heard in the beginning of the video, him can't go back to the yard. You see, some people putting out the comment section where you think about that, because I actually told them that before everybody get the footage of the court. Listen, as you can see, my sender sent yesterday, world exclusive, King just spoken to a close family member of Crissy that's not happy she bailed him. She paid 10% of the bail money, but he's not allowed to go around the kids. He's staying somewhere different. World exclusive. I can't believe she's still standing by him. And I also told him yesterday, when we were here in this video, that he, asked for a public defender because him only make $55,000 a year and him not having a job, self-employed business. You see, I say, and we see people trying to discredit me even when I provide the proof. So here we're going to do. We're going to finish listening to this proceeding, and then we'll continue at the end.
Crissy Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
Review the probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior with the child, and I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the office of public defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. Prior year, we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, so it seemed this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
oh, no, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000 and he's incarcerated. He's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the office of the public defender to represent him.
Thank you.
With respect to the charge, sir, of lewd or lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for a pre-trial.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to step bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that? All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, people, put in the comment section what you think about that, because my industry insider who told me what you guys just heard in the courtroom before it was aired, you see what I say? They're saying that as some in-house business, you know what I mean? Like, as you can see, they're in contact with Crissy's people, you know what I mean? You know, they're upset that Crissy is still standing by him and bailing him out because they claim some in-house business. You know what I mean? The only thing we know as the public is the victim is between 12 to 15. Him can't go back to the place of sin nor the residence. You see what I say? Because he was asking, you know, to go back to get a few things. You know what I mean? I don't know how many 12 to 15s he has access to besides fame youth. You know, brothers Pitney, sister Pitney, friends Pitney, school Pitney, you know, I don't know. They said he was a teacher, you know what I mean? But we do know he's innocent till proven otherwise. It's my people putting out a comment section where anything about that.
But let me say this, ladies and gentlemen. I am not going to say that CMR is guilty in this case, because I really don't know. I cannot use this case to say that he is guilty. But what I will do, I will use this case and make references, make reference to the previous cases. That's what I would do. So I'm not going to say him guilty or him innocent. I don't business with this case. You know? But my question is this. Why is always somebody younger than his wife? And some females out there we are class CMR. Why is it always somebody younger than his wife? Come on, man, females, don't answer me. I feel say Crissy the woman too. That's how me feel. A relationship like this, a marriage like this with a husband like that, come on, girl. I feel say you're the girls. I feel say you're the wife or your husband, woman outside. That's why you don't care about what the world is saying. You put on your makeup because there's a message in your makeup. I don't mind. So I believe that Crissy the girls. That's my belief. I just saw my belief in a private. I believe Crissy the girls. Is it wrong to have a belief? No. You only can be corrected if you're wrong. But I believe that Crissy the woman. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. You see, some of you will pretend about this situation Enough of una drunk in a relationship. Enough of una dog in a relationship. I remember one couple when they dip on the net. The guy is slim and tall. What's his name again? And him have beard down here so. And him there with this girl. And them used to spar with Ken. Omar, you mix up. Omar, you mix up. Ken in my head, you know? I mean, nah, say it, you know? Gio and Ken, for sure. Omar, you mix up. Ken in my head, I'm not even sure for them. Omar, you just spit it out so like you know me, I think. You mix up, bye. Jesus. What me ever think tomorrow, Omar? I remember Gio and Ken. And Gio perform on the internet as if he's totally straight. Nothing fishy, nothing freaky. And Gio woman and near mouth crutches. And a team personal woman. And near mouth smarty crutches. And him a stab her from back when I spit on him out. You can't tell me nothing. I'm afraid of the one them who serious about the freaky thing. Will leak out from it. I'm afraid of one. They say, I will drink from a bowl cat. Me will drink from a known bowl cat than drink from a man who burn out them something them. Me will drink from a known, me drink from a girl with make it known say me suck out every time me have sex, me have to suck cocky. I will drink from you. Honestly, I won't scan you. But you see the boy will burn it out, afraid I'm like, oh, I'm afraid I'm underneath her. Sometimes I don't know where she there.
Yeah, you know the courthouse them on TikTok is hot right now, you see me? So you know that's where I'm going to be right now, you feel me? Follow my 2 channels in front of you, but the one that you see, that's where I'm going to be live. You see me? I said like 20 minutes after this upload, you see it? So, you know what I mean? It's not a good look, you see it? Can't even sugarcoat it, you see me? I said, bless.